Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? My name is Janusz, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to perform firmware update on EOS R5. Hopefully it will fix some overheating issues, reduce the cooldown time, and finally take the reading from the temperature. So let's get straight into the point. So first thing you want to do is open your Safari or Microsoft Edge, whatever you're using. I typed Canon Asia because I'm in Asia. My system operating was already on, so just choose the firmware. So okay, here we go. Firmware 1.10. Download it. This is pretty exciting, guys, really. I hope finally the camera will be usable, because I have to tell you, last time I just took a bunch of pictures in high burst and I just couldn't record any 4K videos. It was zero straight away. Okay, so when it's downloaded, just unzipped, and here we go. We have many folders, so I was checking this one. Yeah, check this one before you do the update. Make sure you read everything. I'm not gonna show it because it will be too long and too boring. If you already copied the file into your SD card, place the SD card inside your camera, press the mode button and choose P mode. When you select the P mode, turn the camera off and back on, just in case. Check if everything is correct. When the P mode is on, you proceed further. So next things you want to do is turn on your menu and then go into settings, and go to the last one, 6, go down to firmware. Yes, and press OK. Okay, firmware is loading. Looks like we did everything correct. Nice. Okay, and from now on is just your choice. Either you want to update or not. So this is always a little bit stressful, but hopefully there was never any issues with firmware updates so far, in my case. Okay, let's do it. Okay, and now we need to just wait. So far I'm long-term Canon user. I started with EOS 60D, then 5D Mark II, and then 1DX Mark II. So I'm with Canon already pretty long time. I'm not sponsored or anything. I just like to use Canon cameras. To be honest, with the first firmware, the overheating was big issues for me. For example, I took many pictures with high burst shoots, and after that I couldn't take even 1 minute of video in 60 frames per second 4K. It doesn't matter which mode it was, so unfortunately it was not usable. I regret, because I want to take some videos, but I just couldn't. Hopefully with this update there will be some improvements, and yeah, let's hope for the best. Okay, we are almost there. 97. So like I said, I'm not any type of Canon ambassador, or I'm not related to Canon company, so all my thoughts and reviews about the camera will be completely honest, and it will be my and only my opinion about this camera. So if you like to hear my opinion and how the camera performs, if you're thinking about buying one, just subscribe and give me some comments. What would you like to see? Yeah. Okay, so looks like everything is great. Yeah, new firmware update installed. Great, love it. Okay, looks like we succeed with an update. I hope doing the same for you. So if you would like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and I'm gonna be doing some more reviews of gear that I currently own. Everything based on my personal opinion. Nobody's sponsoring me, so I will try to be as honest as possible. And I will give you my first impression with Canon EOS R5 after I think I have it for 2 weeks. So yeah, I enjoy so far using this camera, but just stay tuned for the next video with first impressions. That's it for now. Thank you. I hope the update video was helpful for you guys. So stay tuned and take care. Thank you so much. Bye.